Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really quick little review video as I wanted to talk to you guys about a company called Rosewe. Now a few weeks ago Rosewe actually got in contact with me and asked if I would like to pick 2 items from their website so that I can try on at home and tell you guys what I think about them. And I was so excited to scroll through the website and to pick some items, so I thought I would quickly share with you guys the different bits that I picked up. I actually picked up things at probably both ends of the spectrum. I picked up a coat slash jacket and I also picked up a summery top as well. There's also going to be a try on in this video, so I hope you do enjoy. So the first thing I got is this, which is basically just a huge massive blanket. I am obsessed with this. This is so cute. It is an oversized jacket coat and it has these little stretchy bits so it can cling to your arms. It's just a really big oversized coat. You'll see a lot more in the try on segment. It also does have a massive hood. I had visions of wearing this like around a campfire, like in the evenings of summer, just when you want like a little bit of warmth, and this was literally the perfect thing. This is called the sleeve hooded collar fluffy coat. So oh my gosh, it is so comfy. It literally feels like a really oversized fluffy blanket that you have on your bed. It is so nice. Even if you want to wear this like a dressing gown, which I have done on numerous occasions, it's just a really nice colour as well. The tan colour is really pretty. So yeah, let's see what this looks like on. Okay, so this is the coat. I absolutely love it. It is just like the perfect like blanket material. It is so soft. Also it's like fluffy inside as well, so it's basically just like a giant cardigan. It doesn't have any pockets, which I would have preferred a few pockets, but I think this for like if you knew you were going to be freezing cold, this would be like the most perfect jacket to wear. It's a cute colour as well, like a tanny colour, which I don't own any of these. And then the next thing that I got is, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit disappointed by. The actual quality of this item is amazing and the size is great. It is really big, so if you are bigger than me, don't hesitate when buying it from this sort of website, because honestly I would recommend it. I'll show you a picture here of what this product was meant to look like and you tell me how you think that's going to come packaged, because believe me, I did not think that it was going to come like this. It basically, there's a sleeve here, there's a stretchy bit here, there's the top, there's the sleeve, and then there's another bit of the sleeve. It is literally, let me show you just how long this is. I literally feel like one of them clowns that like pulled material from the sleeves. It is huge, and basically what you're meant to do is pop this on and then pop this over yourself, put your hand in this sleeve and then get the other side, put this over yourself and pop it on that side. But I'm being honest, it's like a workout trying to do it. So I will show you what it looks like on, but I would prefer, I might even try and like stitch it so it stays, because it is a really nice colour, really nice fabric, really nice quality, but just the way to put this on is just, A, it's effort, and B, like the amount of times you just have like a boob slip because it doesn't stay. So yeah, let's see what this one looks like on, and I'll try and show you what I mean by the whole boob slipping. It's just not looking right. This is the top, which is not the one. It's such a strange top to put on. Obviously it's a Bardo because I love my Bardo style tops, but I'll show you what it's like if I can get my arm out. So as you can see, you have to just pop your arm in here, and this goes over the top and just dangles down, and then you have to pop that over yourself and put your arm in like this. No. It is not the top. Like, it doesn't even like properly cover anything. It is massive as well, so also you can see it's see-through because you can see my little shorts that I have on underneath. But yeah, I don't like this one. Well, that is it for this really quick little Rosewe haul and try on. If you are plus size like me, do not hesitate to check out websites like this. I know that a lot of people who are plus size find that there's not a lot of websites that they can shop from, but these sort of websites a lot of people are scared to buy from. But honestly, this sort of quality is really good, and the actual sizing is amazing. On a lot of these websites you can actually find out what the size of the clothing is, so if you measure yourself and have a picture next to you of what the things are going to be measured like, it can just be really, really easy to find exactly what you are looking for on these sites. So yes, thank you all so much for watching. A massive thank you to Grace over at Rosewe for sending over these items. I'm definitely going to have to work out that blue top because it's a really nice colour and would be perfect for summer, but it's just a very, very weird way to put it on. But yes, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and you would like to. And I'll see you all next time for next week's video. Bye! Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.